Here we have a beautiful brand new 2024 Transit medium roof long. This is a 15 passenger XLT. As you can see in blue metallic, not boring white. Let's go up here and check out the specs. 350 medium roof XLT, rear-wheel drive XLT, 3.5 V6 in blue metallic. Factory options include the 410 limited slip axle, the front license plate bracket if you live in a front plate state, the front and rear vinyl floor coverings, 9,500 gross vehicle weight rating package. You get the 10-way power seats for the front, driver and passenger, the passive entry start, you just leave your key in your pocket or your purse, the rear HVAC controls, being a passenger van up top, I'll show you those. The Sync 4 with the navigation and the adaptive cruise control, I'll show you that. That's the big old 12-inch screen inside for the backup cam too. The extended fuel tank giving you 31 gallons of gas. The front overhead shelf. The extended length running boards. That's full long passenger for the front and side doors, and single running board for the driver's side. 2 additional keys giving you 4 in total. Privacy glass, you can see out, people can't see in. 15 seats in total. Let's check her out. Do a quick walk around first. Front fog lamps. Driver side running board. Short arm power mirror. Blind spot detection and a very good blind spot mirror. Privacy glass. 253-degree rear opening for the swing out doors. You can lock them in the 180 or the 250-degree position. I'll show you that. Up top, there's your high-mounted backup camera. Rear heated glass. Transit 350 XLT. Dealer installed proper tow package. Come on around. Here's your long running board. The front and the side door. Let's go inside. You can see it's the dark gray cloth. That is the only way to get the armrest. So the driver and passenger get full captain's chairs. Let's go in here. Of course, I mentioned these are power adjustable for the front. Ooh, lumbar support. Sync 4, big old 12-inch screen. It's CarPlay, Android, all that. There's your front overhead shelf. Paperwork, all your fun stuff. Rear HVAC controls. Up front you have lightning 12-volt charger, USB and 12-volt here. Here, of course, you can change through all the different drive modes: eco, slippery, tow haul, normal. Sync up your phones. The latest in modern conveniences. Let's count the seats so we're all clear. This is a 15-seat van. So in the back row against the door, that's 4, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 seats. We'll go around, check those out. Let's go on back. This is a manual slide door, not power slide. You can see these are all pretty much removable seats. You just pull that up, tilt the seat forward, lifts up and out. Very handy for this guy. Kind of hampers people getting in and out. As I mentioned, these were ordered with the armrest, so almost every seat has the armrest, and almost every other seat has the indicators letting you know you can anchor the child seats down. Driver's side will have USB plugs with the cup holders. Passenger side, cup holders, no USB plug. Dealer installed. We put a 1500 watt inverter on this. That way you can have some AC plugs to keep everybody entertained and happy. Let's go around to the back. I'll show you these for the opening. You can lock these doors in this position right here so nobody will knock them loose, including the wind. Or open them, go all the way back, and those magnets connect up. That's going to hold on right there. As I mentioned, high mounted backup cam for these rear seats. Of course, this driver's side seat here, about a Torx T55 or 60. Same thing on this passenger side here. The middle one, this will come out, pull on these two, tilt this forward, and this little double bench will come out, leaving those two on the side. So let's open that for cargo. As I mentioned, we did the dealer installed tow package and the inverter. Anything else you need for work or play, we can do here in-house. Ladders up to the top, cargo racks, lights, steel front or rear bumpers, brush guards. Anything you need, we knock out here in-house with a very quick turnaround. Contact info and all the info on this will be down in the description. Give me a call or text at 404-729-1374. We are in Atlanta. If you want to drive this home, we'll get you at the airport, or I can put it on a flatbed, send it anywhere in the country. We are a high volume transit dealer. Happy to build and outfit anything you need.